on the next Project C10. All right, so we've been working on wiring today. So we've got, what we ended up getting was a Ron Francis wiring kit. I'm actually kind of partial to these. This is the third one that I think I've done. I'm kind of a big fan of the way they do things. Just got a lot of extra features. You got to read the instructions. If you don't read the instructions, I guarantee you're going to screw it up. But it is actually a very solid unit. You got all these come out of the steering column up here. And that's your turn signals, horn, all four lights, all that stuff. We get a ton of claims where it's either bad wiring, shorting out, causing a fire. We get a bunch of those, or it's a deteriorated fuel line that busts and shoots onto the header or the distributor. Oof, you know, there it goes. But the wiring, it is a little labor intensive, but it's meticulous stuff. So it's not like it's difficult, it's just a little time consuming. You just take your time, you get through it, think things through. But by the time you're done, you have a brand new wiring setup that is going to be trouble-free for a very long time. And these will be nice and tight like this, and then this cover goes over it, so all you see is like a few wires coming. So, my recommendation, if you're ever looking at something to do for your car or truck, start with the wiring. Get that completely 100%. It's a lot of insurance, things work better. You don't have to worry about a turn signal not working because it's a bad ground. You can get everything working exactly the way it should and go from there. So that's my tech tip for the day.